Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach from VoiceOver Extra, with today's topic. Gratitude is important to maintaining a positive attitude. Create a simple habit to help you practice gratitude. Spend 5 minutes each day being grateful for what you have. Practice gratitude easily by using a journal. Each morning, night, or any time of the day that you want to develop a habit, write down something in your journal that you're grateful for. If you have a difficult time thinking of the things you're grateful for, consider the following: family, friends, education, possessions, an event that took place during your day, an opportunity, an exceptional meal. Being grateful can include things like being grateful for the people in your life, or being grateful to have an opportunity to do something special. On the other hand, being grateful can include small things like receiving a compliment from a stranger. Write down anything that you're grateful for. Practice finding positivity in every single day. Even on the days when nothing seems to go right, practicing gratitude will help you to find something good each day. By practicing gratitude every day, you'll develop an everyday positive mindset. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra. It's time to get your mojo working.